So today what we are going to do is we are going to make an Islamic Spanish tile. So let's see the supplies that we need. We need markers. We need paper. So the paper here, white paper is the paper on which we are going to do the art. This paper, it can be a scrap paper. I'm using a colored paper so you guys can see better. This is all you need is a scrap paper. Okay, one thing you need to keep in mind is both the papers should be the same size. I'm going to cut off, like, I'm putting my hand here, like this much off. I want an almost square piece, so I'm going to cut the extra off. You may need help from someone with this. So I'm going to cut the extra, and then I have two pieces of paper the same size. Okay, to start with, this was half a paper. Now I also have a pencil, black marker, and an eraser. So Islamic tile. So what are Islamic tiles? Tiles are when you bake clay into thin flat pieces, it is called a tile. So many Muslim buildings are decorated with these beautiful tiles that have been decorated with Islamic designs. Okay, so in Islamic law, it forbids the Muslims from representing human or animal forms in art. So the artists, what they did is they used swirly lines, patterns, like shapes like circles, triangles, hexagons, and they used it to make the tile. These tiles, they use it to cover the entire wall, floor, or roof of the buildings. So let's see how this pattern can be recreated today. So let's see how we are going to do. When I tried with the pink paper, the construction paper, it was too thick. So I took a magazine paper. You can take a newspaper, okay? So it doesn't have to be a colorful paper. You just need to find a paper the size of your the paper on which you are going to do the project. So this paper and this paper is almost the same size. Let me snip off some excess. Now I have the same size. Okay, a square has both sides, the length and the width, the same size, right? So I have the paper ready. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to first fold this paper one time and one more time, like that. So see, I'm going to set this aside. Now I'm going to take this paper and I'm going to fold it the same way, 1, 2. Okay, and then what I'm going to do next is on this side that opens, I'm going to draw a line. So maybe I'm going to make a line like a curvy line going this way to this corner. Okay, you can do this with your pencil or marker, it doesn't matter. I'm going to cut this. So I hope you guys have your scissors. So this is the side that opens. Keep that in mind, okay? Cut on the line. So now when you open this, what you have is you have a design, right? So you're going to match the middle. See the paper? this point and this point like that. I'm going to put it like that, press it down. See that the lines matches. See, this line and this line matches. Now I'm going to take I'm going to hold this down with one hand, and with the other hand I'm going to trace this. Okay, see, you got a design over there, right? So now I'm going to fold this again. Okay, and now under this I'm going to make another pattern, draw another this thing. So this time I'm going to maybe start this way. Like that. Okay, so let's cut this. So you can make a spiky line, any spiky line there. I'm just made it this way. Spiky or zigzag line, you can call it zigzag line, right? Now when I open this, I have another thing. I'm going to match the fold with the fold of the other paper. See that it is in the middle. There is equal space on this side and this side and this side and this side. Hold it down. I'm going to trace this. Oh. Okay, so next, one more time we are going to fold this back, and over here I'm going to make a curvy line. This time I'm going to make a C. Cut the C out. Again, open it, put it on the line, match the middle point and open it. See that there is equal space. Trace it. Now you have a designer tile. So now we can start coloring. So when you're coloring, what we're going to do is we are going to just take 3 colors. I think I'll use the markers. So one color, see that it is blue, okay, and then maybe you can use just the cold colors, or you can have a mix of cold and warm colors. Cold colors are blue, green and purple, right? And the warm colors are colors of the sun or the fire, which is yellow, red and orange. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe take blue and orange would look good together. We'll use green also. I'm going to use these 3 colors. Choose only 3 colors, okay, not more than that. And then what we are going to do is we are going to color. So inside each thing you're going to color with the same color. So I'm going to, this whole shape I'm going to color with blue. Coloring small areas with marker is fine, easy, but bigger areas you need to be a little bit more careful. Maybe this part I'm going to use orange. Stay within the lines. We need to make a nice tile, right? Not a messy looking tile. Let's color this. So outside I'm going to put this part I'm going to leave it white. See that you don't leave any white areas, okay? If you want, you can add some small shapes, geometric shapes inside, or you can just leave it like this. Okay, I'm going to, maybe should I I'll add a small circle. This is how my tile is going to look. I'm done with the my tile. I hope you guys enjoyed making this tile with me. So what you should do is take a picture of this and upload in to CISO or Clever, whatever your class is using. I would also love to see how this turned out. So you can email me your finished work. So till we meet next time, bye-bye.